Thank you for joining us today for our plumbing inspection for the main line at the property on Flower Circle in Arvada, Colorado. My name is Jimmy, working with Sewer Diagnostics to provide our inspection today. We are currently going to access the line through our 4-inch cleanout located in the downstairs mechanical room, kind of sandwiched behind the water heater back here. Interior line appears to be composed of ABS plastic as well as cast iron. The line appears to run slightly flat throughout this previous section of cast iron. However, I do believe some flow is being restricted due to moderate to heavy grease and scale buildup we see on the piping. So we will be recommending a blade cleaning of the line to score this piping clear and allow for greater flow. At about 38 feet, we transition from interior to exterior material. The joint connection here is properly aligned with good flow to the exterior PVC. At about 44 feet, we do see severe compression of the PVC piping on the exterior. Some compression is workable and functional in PVC piping. However, losing approximately an inch to inch and a half of flow does provide both a flow restriction and a structural compromise. We'll recommend this for repair. Minor compression at about 52 feet on the top of the piping. This does not provide as much of a flow restriction and does not show as much of a structural compromise as the previous compression, so no repair recommended here. At about 123 feet, we have reached our city tap connection located in the front cul-de-sac. Pulling back here, we do see that joint connection is properly aligned with good flow into the city's side. Wrapping up our inspection, we have 2 recommendations we are going to provide in our report. One will be for a blade cleaning of the cast iron piping on the interior to remove all that buildup and restore greater flow. And then a spot repair to remove the compression seen in that first part of PVC piping as the line leaves the property. Once that section is repaired, the remainder of the line appears to be in good functioning condition. And we will recommend semi-regular maintenance of the cast iron for buildup every 1 to 5 years or as necessary.